When the SpaceX Starship passes through the atmosphere, its surface temperature is as high as 1,600 degrees Celsius. It only requires a layer of nano-armor as thin as a cicada's wing. When the Tesla battery bag was subjected to acupuncture experiments, the high temperature of 800 degrees Celsius cannot spread at all under the barrier of 3 millimeters thickness. Behind these scenes, it is the ultralight material, Aerogel, that is quietly gaining strength. How good are Aerogel? This is a silicon dioxide aerogel that NASA embedded in a key component of the Perseverance Mars rover. Its thermal conductivity is only 0.013 watts per meter per Kelvin. It's 2/10,000th of iron. It is 1/10 of the traditional aerospace insulation material. It is because of the super thermal insulation properties of air. So the rover can still maintain a stable temperature on Mars at minus 120 degrees Celsius. In a hypersonic vehicle, aerogels are also indispensable. The head is usually made of zirconia aerogel composite, flying at Mach 10. Even if the surface temperature reaches 2,000 degrees Celsius, but due to the protection of aerogel composites, the temperature of the warhead's internal structure can still be stabilized at a safe temperature below 300 degrees Celsius. You can even stick your face to the side of the aerogel, then use a hot torch to burn the other side of the aerogel, even though the other side of the aerogel has been burned red. But the face on this side felt nothing. Today, this nanoparous material is 99.8% air, with unimaginable performance, complete technical penetration in the fields of aerospace, military industry, and people's livelihood. For example, in the field of new energy vehicles, aerogels have become a key material in the industrial chain. It's needed for thermal runaway protection of the battery pack. The issue of thermal insulation of overcharged pile cables is also required. Use it. The latest CTP 3.0 battery pack of Ningdi Times. It's a two-layer Aerogel combination. The thermal runaway diffusion time was successfully extended from 3 minutes in the traditional scheme to 30 minutes. The Tesla V4 supercharged pile cable is also integrated with an Aerogel insulation layer that the tram to 1,000 volts high voltage fast charge. The cable temperature rise is reduced by 60% due to the extremely light weight of aerogel. Excellent thermal insulation performance. Therefore, it is still the best choice for insulation layer materials in building construction. When the Aerogel was on the cover of Nature magazine and the Tesla supply chain list at the same time, when the speed of industrialization of aerosols makes graphene unattainable. This ancient material was born in 19... With the blessing of nanotechnology, it has become another popular new material for all mankind after plastic.